Hi, say hello.
Hello.
Hello. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I just got out of the shower. As you guys can see, I have this thing on my head.
Hi.
Hi. You just got out of the shower?
Yeah.
Yeah, you too. But today I'm going to be filming my November Boxycharm unboxing. And I have not opened it. You guys can see here that it has the little thingamajig right here. So I'm also going to be showing you guys some stuff that I got a while back from Sephora. I got some Tarte things. I'm mainly going to be using the brushes because I never showed you guys what the brushes were like, and I never used them in a video. I still have the pineapple eyeshadow palette that I still have to use that I have not even touched. But these are the brushes. I don't remember what they're called though, but it's just a 5-piece brush set, and I think I got them for 40 bucks or 50 bucks. I'm not sure. They're kind of pricey, but I'm going to be using some of these in today's video. Okay, let me go ahead and open the box first. I just open it here. I already see some brushes, and then you get this little pamphlet thingy. This is what I got. Whoops. In this month's box. This just fell out of it. So as I've told you guys before, Boxycharm is a subscription box that you guys can get for $21 each month, and it gets taken out of your bank account the first of every month, and then you receive your box like a week to a week and a half later. It never fails. You always get over $100 and something. And then Boxyluxe is a box that you get every 3 months. So in December, whoever signed up for the Boxyluxe will be charged a total of $50. I think it's $21 plus like $25 or something, and you get charged those 2 times just that 1 month that you get it. So like you're gonna get it in December, and then January, February, March you get it again. March, April, May, and then in June I think you get the Boxyluxe every 3 months. And the Boxyluxe has a value of over $300. So that's what came in the last Boxyluxe box. You got like a big old thing, and so you pay like a little less than 50 bucks for over $300 worth of things, which is pretty cool. I'm going to talk about the little things and how much they cost. So the first thing are these Cover FX glitter drops, and I got these in the shade Nova, or I got it in the shade Nova. It says to, oh my god, oh my god, look at it. It says to shake well before each use. I've never ever used these, so I don't know what they're like, but I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand right there, and so pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's so shiny. So that's one product. And then these Cover FX drops are $44. And then the next thing is this Ace Beauty, I don't know, it's cute.
Mommy,
this little eyeshadow baby. Yeah, this little eyeshadow palette has 4 shimmer shades and 4 mattes, and this is $24.99. The next thing are these Luxie brushes. It's a total of 4. You usually get a set of 3 brushes, and this time you got sent 4. These retail for $21. So I'm trying to take these out of the bag that they gave me, but they're just so hard. These are some tiny brushes though. Oh my god, I have to show you guys my kid. Come here. What is that? Show them your face, show them your makeup. Did you put eyeshadow on your cheeks? Huh? Did you put eyeshadow? Some makeup?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You look so pretty. my goodness, so beautiful. It says this is the mini tapered, mini round. These are tiny, tiny brushes. Mini flat angled, and the mini angled brush. I honestly, like, these are so small. I don't think I'm going to use them because my eyes are so big. We'll see. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about these. Second to last thing is this. Is this eyeliner. This is the Jonte Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner, and it just doesn't like me. This little guy is $5 and it's a glitter eyeliner, and I don't really like those. Oh, this is super. No, this has like chunks of silver in it. Can you guys see the chunks of glitter? I don't like it, but maybe for New Year's. I don't know. And then the last thing I got, I really wanted the tweezers, but I got lashes instead. This is the Lashaholic lashes, and these are $14.99. This is what they look like. And it just says ready, set, get addicted. This is what they look like. So I don't know if I'm gonna put these on today, just because I'm literally gonna put this makeup on and probably just go wash it off or like go to the dollar store or something. So I'm going to put some moisturizer on my face, just because with this dang weather it like gets cold and then it warms up outside and my skin is drying out super bad. I don't know if you guys remember that I used to be super duper oily before I got pregnant, and then after I had my daughter, my skin just dried out super bad, and now I look like a tomato. I'm going to use the foundation that I always use, which is the Wet n Wild foundation, and this is a super old one. For my concealer, I'm going to be using the the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Neutral. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows off camera, and then I'll be right back. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eyes. And then I'm going to use my big old flamingo brush, apply the powder to the rest of my face. Well, before I jump into my eyes, I'm going to bronze my cheeks. My little trusty Ulta contour kit, and I'm gonna use this brush that came in that like brush thing that I bought. Then I'm gonna use this big old brush to just like blend it in, I guess. And then I'm gonna grab my Laura Geller Baked Blush with this brush, and I'm just add my blush, or try. But it looks like it's, I don't know, it really works. Like, this blush has a little bit of highlight to it, and it picked it up really well. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I definitely can. You can see it on my nose more, but I really like this one for my blush. Now I'm gonna set my face using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I'm gonna go in with this shade first. It's called Patchouli or something like that. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'm gonna use this shade. Oh, I didn't use this. I knew I was missing something. So I'm gonna put the Cover FX drops again on the back of my hand. And you guys can see how intense it is. I'm scared, but oh god, that's so intense. That's like chunks of glitter on my face. I don't like it. Maybe for a night out, but I don't know how I feel about it. For every day, it's not for me because you can really see the chunks of glitter. Maybe in the summer when you're really tan, this would be really pretty. But for the winter, like right now, I don't think I would use it because it's super duper 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 chunky. It doesn't look bad on camera, it's just in person you can see the chunks of glitter. But it is pretty though, so I'll give it that. It's very, very pretty. Now I'm going to use super, really, like really, it has a lot of fallout. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. For my lips, I used the pink lipstick from Tarte. It just says pink on there. It's the Rescue Lip Quench. It kind of has like that little pepperminty taste. That about does it for this box. I would say if you are going to be using these eyeshadows, the eyeliner sucked. It was super like hard, like scratchy against the eyeball, and I didn't like that because it was making my eyes super watery. So that's the only reason why I don't like it. And if you are going to be using these eyeshadows, they're super pigmented and they have a lot of fallout in the pan and also when you're applying them onto your eyes. So I did get some right here, and as even when I try to wipe it off with a brush, it's still like smeared. So I have pink right here and then also on this side. So I would say do your eyes first and then your eyeshadow last. If not, at least put some like powder under here, like if you bake or anything, leave the powder on your under eyes just in case you do get some fallout or whatever. You can just wipe that off without a problem. But I did wipe mine off right away, so that's where I messed up, but I didn't know. So you live and you learn. But overall, I did like all of the products. Like I said, the Cover FX drops, I think I would use them more in the summertime. I'm gonna see how long it lasts on your face. And that's pretty much it, you guys. If you guys have a Boxycharm, be sure to send me your pictures through Instagram or Snapchat. I know some of you guys already do that, and I love seeing the looks that you guys create every month with your box and comparing to see what you got in your box and stuff like that. So that about does it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give this one a big thumbs up so that I can keep doing these monthly, because I really do enjoy unboxing these boxes with you guys. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.